Hello everyone. Welcome to Design Consulting Services on the benefits of designing transmission towers with uneven legs. In this video, we'll explore how leveraging the natural terrain and utilizing innovative foundation designs can streamline construction, minimize environmental impact, and reduce costs for transmission line projects. By understanding the advantages of uneven leg towers, you'll gain insights into how engineers and construction teams can optimize efficiency and sustainability in power infrastructure development. Designing transmission towers with uneven legs can indeed minimize the need for extensive rock cutting. By utilizing the natural contours of the terrain and designing foundations that seat firmly in the mother soil, construction teams can reduce the amount of excavation required to prepare the tower sites. This approach helps to streamline the construction process, minimize environmental disruption, and potentially lower project costs by reducing the need for specialized equipment and labor associated with rock cutting and excavation. Additionally, by anchoring the foundations securely in the mother soil, engineers can ensure the stability and integrity of the tower structures, even in challenging terrain conditions. Please mention introduction and conclusion for YouTube video. Conclusion. As we conclude, designing transmission towers with uneven legs offers numerous benefits, from minimizing rock cutting and excavation to ensuring stable foundations in challenging terrain. By embracing these design principles, we can enhance the efficiency, resilience, and sustainability of transmission line projects. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into the importance of innovative tower design in shaping the future of power infrastructure. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.